What's up, guys? John Howell here. officialjohnhowell.com. Man, that looks bright, doesn't it? I mean, it doesn't look... See the sun behind me coming up? Thought I'd just take the morning off for the gym. I've been going twice a day. This last Saturday, I hit the gym really hard, heavy deadlifts and so on and so forth. And Sunday I went to the gym as well too. Monday morning, high intense cardio. Monday night, weights and cardio. Yesterday morning, weight, cardio, high intense cardio, and then some last night, which was Tuesday, I also did heavy, high intense back, meaning quick back, and then also some cardio as well too. So now I'm just going for a walk this morning. I'll be going to the gym tonight before dinner and hitting a really probably heavy and fast shoulder session. And then finish off with some 20 minutes or so worth of cardio. So I get cardio in after my weights as well too. So it's pretty dark here, isn't it? So what I wanted to talk about in this video, guys, is as you can see, like with these videos, it's just the real me, you know, like. And I know I got a lot of flack for that boohoo video, boohoo motherfucker video, but that video wasn't for everyone. That was only for people who are rubbing my name in the dirt and saying I'm shit and all this sort of stuff. I'm like, really? Do you really know what it takes to be a good trader? I'm just real with you guys. Look at that beautiful sun there. So I'm just real with you guys. So tell me you guys took offensive to that video. It wasn't to everyone. It was only to those people who are publicly saying my count's down 30%. It was actually really only to one guy, really. He's telling his count down 30% because it was short the market. He had no trade management or no money management, and obviously doesn't listen to my disclaimer at the start of the videos. The next thing I want to talk about in this video, guys, I was listening to some of these science guys, and let me just sit down here for a minute. I was listening to these science guys. And look at that there. And I don't know, Wuzhou or something like that? Or some webbots or something like that? I don't know. I don't understand it. Do you guys understand it? Let me know below if you understand it. Whatever that is. And they're talking about like all kinds of crazy stuff happening with the metals and yeah, just and a lot of stuff happening economically. And they're saying August, September, October is going to be pretty bad month economically wise, and just a lot of wise. So a lot of wise. First thing in the morning here. So yeah, guys. Yeah. So let me know what you think about those science guys. There's a lot of they talk about data and stuff like that. They don't look at charts or graphs or something like that. So anyway, let me know what you think about that. And the last point I want to talk to you guys about is that out of all my career, I've been doing this now for 12 years. One thing I've learned is the fundamentalists out there can tell us something about a stock or a market and stuff like that. Or they can say fundamentally it should be here and, you know, so on and so forth. But in the day and age we're working on, we can't judge anything on that fundamental basis. So no matter what market you're trading, wait for the market to tell you it's going to go down, or wait for the market to tell you it's going to go up. You know, so you just, or in another event, just don't trade it at all. You know, like a lot of people think, oh well, you know, I think the market's going to go up, so I'm going to buy it. It's like, do you understand what trading's all about? Trading is all about waiting for the exact pattern or the exact setup to get in. Not you're going to jump on every single thing that moves. Oh, it's going up today. Oh, it's going down tomorrow. Now, there are people out there that do that, and that's crazy. All right, it's really, really stressful. So, guys, if the market is going to come down, we're talking like not 5% or something like that, but the market's really going to start to head down. You will start to notice that on the actual daily and weekly charts. You'll start to see lower peaks and lower troughs. Right? You'll start to see lower peaks and lower troughs. As I've been saying in my videos. So no matter what fundamental person you're listening to or whatever's happening, wait for the charts to tell you something's going to happen. Don't call this the top. I'm not calling this the top right now. Who knows what's going to happen with the market? The market just could just keep going up like it has been. So I'm not calling this the top. You're very, very risky in calling this the top right now. But I will call it a top if I start to see this thing completely start to really break down. Now, breakdown, guys, I mean like maybe another 3 to 5% or something like that. And I start to get some lower peaks, breaking past major support levels. That tells me maybe that now the top is now starting to form because the charts are telling me. And yeah, and then that's basically what's going to happen. You wait for the charts to tell you what's going to happen. Wait for the charts to tell you that, hey, the market is now likely to go down. Wait for the charts to tell you, hey, we're now going to continue going up here. So just because you have a thought about something doesn't mean you trade it. Okay? One of my mentors said, John, you're paid to wait. You're paid to wait. Like I'm still long on my silver trade right now, and I was paid to wait, and that trade has been a really, really, really good trade for me. So no matter what you listen to these science guys or the fundamentalists and how they say in the Jubilee year and Bo Polly with his exact dates and all that sort of stuff, guys, none of that matters. Just listen to the charts. Just listen to the charts, and the charts will tell you what's going on. The charts will tell you what's happening. And if the market's going to start to really go down, guess what? The daily charts, when we talk like if the market's going to go down a lot, the charts will tell us that, right? The market will run down past major support levels. It'll start to create a lower trough or a nice lower peak, and it'll start to roll over. You'll start to notice that, okay, this is now getting very weak. It's really, really, really that simple. And especially on the weekly charts and also on the daily charts. So, oh man. So, yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about in this video, guys. I hope this really helps you out. But guys, just keep it simple. Keep it simple. You don't have to trade every single thing. No one on this planet knows what's going to happen day by day by day by day. But one thing you can do, if you're looking at more of a longer term or even a shorter term trade, you wait for the market to tell you, and you wait for that right setup, and then you get into the market. So anyway, guys, I'm out of here.